is how Jetstream's world-renowned computer spray evolved. It was discovered that with a special type of nozzle, a strange egg-shaped tank, and numerous other contributing design factors, the volumes of water and consequently chemical could be dramatically reduced. This meant that farmers could slash their cropping costs, yet still achieve an excellent weed kill. The Jetstream product range has certainly expanded since these beginnings and now dominates three main areas of the Australian agricultural marketplace. At the heart of every Jetstream spray rig is the metering pump system. It's what generates the accuracy of the insecticide or herbicide to the booms.
This system utilises a positive displacement piston pump, which meters the output similar to the way a windmill works.
And the best, according to Jetstream, is the ground drive metering system. It's no wonder Jetstream thinks that the ground drive is the way to go. Bill Hughes proudly invented the system nearly 30 years ago.
On the other hand, the nozzles play no part in the calibration of a ground drive system. In this cutaway of a similar pump, we can see that the piston gives us a known amount of liquid per stroke, and that stroke can be altered by simply changing the sprocket configuration. Because the whole thing is ground driven, the liquid output is maintained in direct accuracy to the ground speed, to within 1%. Very simple.
The Workmate is Jetstream's standard model and represents extremely good value for money while being able to deliver 15 and 30 litres per hectare with precision if required. The team at Jetstream believes in choices, so ask about the optional accessories that can be fitted by your local dealer to customise your new spray rig. The standard equipment built into every Workmate computer spray is impressive. Jetstream deliver a precision-engineered metering system on all application rates, from 15 to 200 litres per hectare. Choose between 12 and 18-foot L-type sprung suspension booms that carry a 5-year structural warranty. Large, low-pressure tyres make towing easy, while a smooth boom ride is assured with the use of 16-inch boom wheels on models with 18-metre booms. Spray control is simplified by the use of a 3-way tap. Rather than inferior, plastic 110-degree nozzles found elsewhere, all computer sprays have a spray line using unique stainless steel 120-degree fan angle nozzles. This guarantees triple overlap coverage over the target, giving a 20% increase in coverage, delivering superior result. There is no missed runs or overlaps, thanks to the single-sided foam marker, complete with end-of-boom foam generators supplied by a 100-litre pressure tank. Filling all Jetstream computer spray units is easy, with a chemical suction spear and drum flush to give you a quick and easy fill from ground level. Bottom filling delivers less foaming and greater agitation. The bottom fill has mesh stainless steel cartridge filters. These filters filter both incoming and outgoing fluid from the tank. These filters, when combined with the nozzle filters in every tee, gives the computer spray a 3-stage filtering system. Choose either a 1, 2, 3 or 4,000 litre UV resistant poly tank that are calibrated every 100 litres. Checking operational pressure is made simple with the large diameter colour-coded Jetstream pressure gauge. Jetstream have thought of everything. A convenient 100 litre fresh water tank helps clean up at the end of the day. The conserver spray incorporates all the practical features of the Workmate, along with a selection of popular extras, factory fitted at a competitive price. The conserver spray is completely electronically controlled from the console in your cabin. Being able to control 3 sections of the boom gives better control when negotiating around places like dams and channels that don't need spraying. The conserver spray has the addition of a dual-sided foam marker. Dual-sided foam markers with remote end-of-boom generators allow you to operate from both sides, while dialer blob controls within the cabin allow the operator to precisely adjust spacing and blob size at any time. Jetstream have added a tandem drum, granular and liquid chemical hopper that drops down to ground level for easy access and feature a swirl flush system. As well as a drum flush, The conserver spray also features a wash-down hand spray for improved operator safety. Bill Hughes invented the twin spray line, and it is a major advance in spraying today. The principle behind it is that you are able to double your spraying speed range, as well as doubling the nozzle overlap coverage while remaining in the same pressure range. All computer sprays have a spray line with a 508mm spacing between nozzles. On an 18.3 metre boom, there are 36 nozzles with a 120-degree fan angle, providing triple overlap coverage over the target. The contractor's number 2 spray line is placed in front of the number 1 spray line. There are 35 nozzles on the number 2 spray line, these being offset 254mm from the nozzles on the number 1 spray line. This means that when the twin spray line is activated, the computer spray will provide a 6 overlap coverage and allow the machine to spray chemical with a far greater efficiency than ever before. The computer spray is able to do this without affecting the accuracy of the machine. This is achieved by delaying the twin spray line from being supplied with chemical until the flow rate and pressure is able to sustain the twin spray line. This is controlled automatically by the twin spray line control box, which is mounted on the rear chassis crossmember. This box registers the flow rate and pressure of the number 1 spray line. When it reaches sufficient flow rate, reading dark green on the pressure gauge, the control valve will open and allow the excess pressure and flow rate to fill the twin spray line. The pressure will then drop to just under 200 kPa. The operator is now able to increase speed up to 35 km per hour while applying 6 times overlap coverage. The operating pressure in the machine is up to 400 kPa when the needle reaches the top end of the green scale on the gauge. This system maximizes nozzle overlap and creates a swirling action. As this creates a micro vacuum behind the boom, the chemical mixture is drawn beneath the leaf of the plant, providing maximum surface contact, ensuring a maximum kill rate. When the operator slows down, flow rate and pressure will drop, automatically deactivating the number 2 spray line. The number 1 spray line pressure will again jump to about 300 kPa and once again give triple overlap coverage with our 120-degree fan angled nozzles. When using the ETS system, the accuracy of the application rate is maintained through the total speed range. There are 2 switches which control the ETS. The first switch on the cab console marked ETS is the power switch to the ETS control box. With the ETS switch in the off position, the ETS control is deactivated and the contractor will spray on the number 1 spray line only. The 3 boom sections can now be individually turned off as required. The second switch is on the ETS control box. The switch is to be in the off position for all normal spraying operations. Put the switch in the on position. This will keep the spray line open regardless of pressure. You can now flush both spray lines at the same time at low pressure. The advantage of this system is that it can be done when the contractor is stationary.
The contractor with electric tandem spray line, another great quality Jetstream invention.